ladies and gentlemen. My number one pick from the House of Argos. We got my boy. We got a real certified lover boy. Adonis Awakens is at number one. More than just a rose fragrance. Beautiful stuff. So what do you get with this fragrance? You get this citrusy opening, you get rose, and you get this nice vanilla. It's not too grandma smelling, it's not too feminine, directly in the middle. I'll put a little bit more masculine, yeah? Look, the juice is red. I'm gonna do a little bit of GCSE English. What does red represent, yeah? Romance, passion, anger. Yeah, that's all you get with this fragrance. Yeah, this is a lover boy's fragrance. Yeah, all the galluses, all the men that get gal. Yeah, you'll appreciate this fragrance. It's so versatile. Yeah, any season, for any reason, any occasion. Listen, beautiful, beautiful stuff. Yeah, House of Argos, number one pick, Adonis Awakens. Listen, I suggest that you go and get their sample kit. Sample kit has got all 8 of their offerings. You can find it on their website. Beautiful house from Texas. Yeah, they're just doing their thing.